If you really listen, beyond the noise, past the headlines, beneath the arguments, you'll hear something powerful. The voices, not politicians, not celebrities, not news anchors, just everyday Americans. And this is what they're saying. I work 2 jobs, and I still can't afford rent. I love this country, but I'm starting to feel like it doesn't love me back. I've lived through war, depression, and disaster. But what I see now, this division, this hate, it breaks my heart. We were raised to believe in freedom, but everything feels restricted. Every move we make is tracked. Every opinion we share is judged. I fought for this country overseas, but I come home and can't even get the health care I was promised. Is this what I risked my life for? We are not okay. We're tired. We're anxious. We're frustrated. And most of all, we feel unheard. Groceries cost more. Gas costs more. And no one listens to people like me. I'm just trying to survive. I don't feel safe at school. I don't feel hopeful about the future. Everyone says it's up to my generation, but we're already overwhelmed. These voices are not enemies of America. They are America. They're the people who built this country and still believe in it. Justice still feels like a privilege, not a right. I want to believe in equality, but how long do we have to wait? We made it through the pandemic, barely. But the regulations, the taxes, the pressure, it's like no one in Washington knows we exist. We don't need more promises. We need real change. Not just better policies, but better conversations. Better neighbors, better hearts. I came here for freedom, for my kids to have a better life. But now it feels like we're invisible. They took our jobs, our dignity, and now they look at us like we're the problem. We just want to live with respect. This isn't the end of America, but it is a warning. When the people speak and no one listens, what comes next is never good. I still believe in us, in kindness, in each other. It's not over yet. I just want a better world for my kids. And I think most of us do. That's something to build on. America isn't just a flag, or a party, or a headline. America is us. You, me, all of us. And maybe, just maybe, if we start listening to each other again, we can still turn this around.